Are you here alone? Can I bring my friend? Can I have a receipt, please? Can it be cheaper? Can we have a menu, please? Can you hold this for me? Do you have any children? Do you know how much it costs? Have you eaten at that restaurant? Have you eaten yet? Have you ever had potato soup? He likes juice, but he doesn't like milk. Here's your salad. Here's your order. How does it taste? How many people? I agree. I haven't been there. I haven't finished eating. I like it. I only have $5. I think I need to see a doctor. I understand. I'd like a table near the window. I'd like to call the United States. I'll give you a call. I'll have a cup of tea, please. I'll have a glass of water, please. I'm from America. I'm going to bed. I'm here on business. I'm sorry. It's August 25th. June 3rd. The food was delicious. There are some apples in the refrigerator. There's a restaurant near here. There's a restaurant over there, but I don't think it's very good. Waiter, waitress, we can eat Italian or Chinese food. We'll have 2 glasses of water, please. What are you going to have? What do you recommend? What would you like to drink? What would you like to eat? What's your email address? Where is an ATM? Where is there a doctor who speaks English? Which one? Would you ask him to come here? Would you like a glass of water? Would you like coffee or tea?